Today we are going to change the rear differential oil of my 300D.
That's the punishment if you don't have a hoist. Like 3 generations of dirt, isn't it? And let's see, do I have the right size? Oh, lucky me. I think I need an extension. Come on. Let's go. It's like working out in the gym. Oh, what a mess. Doesn't look too bad. Time for safety glasses. I think it's 1.3 liters. Probably have to get up and get another pack of this. Second pack. Better make sure I don't spill any oil. I think it's full.